So solving an equation is like balancing a scale. Both sides must remain equal. So if you have 2 circles and 3 triangles, then you should have 3 triangles and 2 circles on this side. So if this side is 7, then 3 plus 4 has to be on this side. The variable must be alone or isolated on one side of the equation. Isolate the variables by using inverse or opposite operations. The equation must remain balanced, and you're going to check your solution. So we can also use algebra tiles to represent the equation. So we're going to write our equation from this model, and it shows us the big long rectangle is x's, and then the blank squares are ones, and the gray squares are negatives or minuses. So here you have x plus 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So that means you need to balance it out. So it means you need to have whatever x plus 4 is equal to 10, which is 6. And I'll actually show you on how to properly do that, because next year you're going to be doing it 2-step equations. These are only 1 step, meaning they only take 1 step to solve. So you have this equation, so you're going to draw your line. You need to get rid of this plus 4. So the opposite operation, or the inverse operation, is subtracting 4. So you can subtract 4 from both sides, and x equals 6, proving our solution. So write and solve the equation represented below. So this is x plus 2 equals 6. And again, guys, I know you already know this answer, and that's fantastic, but I need you to practice doing it this way, because in 7th grade, you're going to be doing 2-step equations, and then most likely equations with variables on both sides. So this is a very good practice. So you have x plus 2 equals 6. So the opposite operation of adding 2 is subtracting 2 from the left and the right side. So you have x equals 4. All right, next one. You have 4 is equal to 1 plus x. So you have 4 is equal to 1 plus x. So you need to get rid of this 1. Since it's a positive 1, you're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 equals x. Okay, so now you try. We're going to try with subtraction. So this is x minus 2 is equal to 4. So we're going to draw our line. So the opposite operation of minusing is adding. So we're going to be adding 2 to the left and the right side. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So my answer is x equals 6. Now I have 7 is equal to x minus 1, because this is the negative. So you need to be taking away 1. You're going to draw your line. You're going to add 1 to both sides. 7 plus 1 is 8. So you get 8 is equal to x. Okay, so now we're just going to do it without the models. So here if x minus 6 equals 12. So since that 6 is being subtracted, you're going to add 6 to both sides. So then you have x is equal to 18. So now the way we check it is you have the equation x minus 6 equals 12. So you're going to take away the x and you're going to plug in the 18 to see if it's true. So 18 minus 6 is 12, and 12 equals 12. That's correct. Now we're going to solve this one. So the 5 is being added, so we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So 11 minus 5 is 6, so x equals 6. So we're going to check our solution. So we're going to be doing 6 plus 5 equals 11, which is 11 equals 11. So that's true. So now this one, that's a positive 3, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So this cancels out. And then 7 minus 3 is 4. So we're going to check our solution. So now you have 3 plus 4 equals 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7 equals 7. And I forgot to mention, the reason why we do the opposite operation is because these cancel out. It meaning they go away. And that's what your whole goal is. And what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. All right. couple more. So we have 15 is equal to x minus 2. So we're going to draw our line. Since that 2 is being subtracted, we're going to add 2 to both sides. So 15 plus 2 is 17. And then you check it by doing 15 is equal to 17 minus 2, which is 15 equals 15. Next, you're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So 17 minus 4 is 13. These cancel out. So our answer is 13. So you can plug that in. 17 is equal to 13 plus 4, which is 17 equals 17. You subtract 4. These cancel out. Negative 11 minus 4 is negative 15. So then I'm going to check it. So negative 15 plus positive 4 equals negative 11. So negative 11 equals negative 11. That's true. All right, let's try these. So the 3 is being subtracted, so you're going to add 3 to cancel it out. Negative 12 plus 3 is negative 9. So now you have negative 9 minus 3, which is negative 12. So negative 12 equals negative 12. That's true. So now you have 32 is equal to x minus 8. So you're going to add 8 to both sides. 32 plus 8 is 40. So you get 40 equals x. So you're going to plug that back in. So you get 32 is equal to 40 minus 8, which is 32. So it's true. Last one. So that 9 is being subtracted, so you're going to add 9 to both sides. So you get x equals 3, because negative 6 plus positive 9 is positive 3. So you're going to plug that in. So you get 3 minus 9 is equal to negative 6, and 3 minus 9 is negative 6. So the statement is true. And that is how you solve one-step equations with adding and subtracting.